Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching us from. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Ohanaeze denies rallying support for Tinubu and says Nigeria cannot elect sick president again in 2023. This is for those who are involved in politics. Meanwhile, Ohanaeze is denying it. Whoever has accused Ohanaeze and Igbo of this should not be blamed. Ohanaeze need to do a lot of work to redeem its image before the Igbo people. They have to redeem their image as a body speaking for Ndi Igbo. Perhaps with time we will fully put our trust on the organization as one of the highest bodies speaking for Ndi Igbo. Until then, we are not too sure if Tinubu has not bankrolled our Ohanaeze. Anything is possible these days, oh. With the kind of Ohanaeze we have. During the 2019 election, while Igbos have taken their major stand on whom to support, that's for Igbos who agree with the election, that's who to support for presidency. You know, we saw a group of men in Aso Rock, in the name of a faction or for Ohanaeze or so, they were asking Buhari to ride on. Even with the misrule, they tell Buhari continue. So we are confused, even now that there are factions in Ohanaeze. Now let's even look at which of the Ohanaeze is denying the accusation, because there are factions, just like I said. Which of the Ohanaeze? Okay, Ohanaeze Ndi Igbo Social Cultural Organization, the one led by Chidibe, that's a factional one, has denied the endorsement of the former governor of Lagos State and national leader of the All Progressive Congress, APC, Bola Tinubu, for 2023 presidential seat in Nigeria. He's denying that they are not the one backing him. The group insisted that it is concerned with ensuring that an Igbo man takes over from President Buhari, Muhammadu Buhari, in 2023 in the interest of equity, justice, and fairness. Is that realistic? Ohanaeze, Anyway, Ohanaeze, in a statement by its National Publicity Secretary, Chika Temple, these are the factional Ohanaeze, on Thursday, faulted the media statement by Chieftain Uche Okuku, describing Bola Tinubu as a protector of Ndi Igbo. Really? You forgot what happened in Ago Palace, Okota, during the election. Tinubu said President Okuku is vice president or so. And Okuku had described Bola Tinubu, the national leader of the All Progressive Congress, APC, as a protector of the people of the Southeast. Who is needed, they say, according to Okuku, is needed to guide Nigerians in the right path of democracy. Or guide to go Lagos. Hey, Ohanaeze, Okuku recalled that Tinubu was a fair leader who appointed Igbos into his cabinet during his administration as governor of Lagos State. According to him, Tinubu was needed for unification of the Southern Bloc. Really? I don't know who he appointed. Meanwhile, somebody can comment on the comment section. Tell us, is it true? Meanwhile, Chidi is the leader of the factional Ohanaeze, which Okechukwu Isigudo, you know Okechukwu Isigudo, who was a former leader of Ohanaeze Ndi Igbo youth before the emergence of faction. Okechukwu Isigudo is a spokesman for this new group headed by Engineer Chidibe. And as you can see, they are already arriving at a conclusions. Though Chidibe is against it, but somebody, Okuku, has arrived at a conclusion without consultations. And that is why Chidi is disagreeing. And it's even possible the man presenting Tinubu to us has received brown envelopes or Ghana must go bags. And all it takes to convince the others, even Chidibe, is to let the Ghana must go back, exchange hands. And he might be singing the same tune, not discordant tune again. And then you hear those kind of grammar, English that, you know, after much thoughts and deliberations, Ohanaeze Igbo worldwide, Ohanaeze Igbo Lagos has agreed to throw their weight behind the Bola Tinubu presidency, the Toronto graduate of Lagos. Meanwhile, the other Ohanaeze, led by Professor George Obiozo, who replaced Nyanwodo, may want to also counter the other. They might want to sing a discordant tune. But all these guys clamoring for Igbo presidency, it appears they are in a big dream. I had APC saying they have not promised 2023 presidential election tickets to Igbo. APC just said that. I hope Omahi and Uzodimma are aware of that. APC is now coming out to say they have not promised Igbo. You can see how it's getting closer and they are beginning to play their tricks. And you know, when they want to announce something like this, sad news for those who are believing in Igbo presidency project, when they want to announce something like this, they do it ideally. They use a Judas or Sabo to do what they want to do. And Hope Uzodimma is a good tool. Now, look at this headline. "2023, All Progressive Congress not interested in Igbo presidency," says Governor Uzodimma. That is just the way it is. They are not ready to allow Igbos become president. Governor Hope Uzodimma has stated that the ruling All Progressive Congress, APC, is not interested in giving Igbo's presidency in 2023. Uzodimma has dismissed claims of APC zoning its presidential ticket to Southeast region. So Omahi and Uzodimma, it is time to wake up from that, should I say pipe dream or, okay, bad dream. Appearing on Channels television, Uzodimma said APC is looking for a Nigerian president. They didn't say an Igbo president. Are you getting it? And when he was asked if APC is committed to zoning the 2023 presidential ticket to Southeast, he responded, "We are not looking for an Igbo president. We are looking for a president of Nigeria." Wow! They have told you.
On a final note, Governor, one of the clamor is an Igbo presidency in 2023. Is your party making that promise? Is there any hope of having an Igbo man as president in 2023?
We are not looking for an Igbo president. We are looking for a president of Nigeria. And me as a party, APC, we believe that what we are practicing here is partisan democracy. And every politician must be loyal to his party. At the end of the day, it is the decision of the political party you belong to that will matter. Because you cannot be a president if you are not sponsored by a political party. So when it comes, APC will take into consideration all factors, covert and overt, and then take a decision. And once that decision is taken, all members of the party will be bound by that decision.
Stop that daydreaming. Stop the daydreaming. He said, we as a party believe that we are practicing, what we are practicing here is a partisan democracy, and every politician must be loyal to his party. At the end of the day, it's the decision of the party that you belong to that will matter. Omahi, so I hope you will be loyal when they push you. Uzodimma added that President Muhammadu Buhari's visit to the state had nothing to do with 2023 elections. Uzodimma said Buhari was simply on a walking visit. He said our people came out to receive the president who visited Imo State in solidarity with the governor of Imo State. It has nothing to do with 2023 elections or politics. He ideally already told you people, they are not giving it to Igbo. He said, we only received the president who came on a walking visit, commission projects, those projects, and had an interaction with us, he added. Simple. Meanwhile, let's talk about that project. You know, I will show you a video now. Buhari or whoever it is was disappointed with Hope Uzodimma actually on that Imo State visit. It appears he didn't really love what he saw. You need to see this video. He's trying to say he will think about it before coming again. Look at this video.
I thank you very much. And Governor of Imo State, I cannot thank you enough, but I will be careful with your future invitations. Thank you very much. But I will be careful with your future invitations. But I will be careful with your future invitations. But I will be careful with your future invitations.
Hope. It seems the leopard cannot change its spots. When you tricked the one who helped you through Supreme Court to clinch a seat, you didn't win. Now look at this headline. OLP. Uzodimma deceived Buhari to deceived Buhari to inaugurate non-existent road. He deceived Buhari. A group, they were a league of professionals, OLP, has described as outrageous. We are reading from there. They claim that President Muhammadu Buhari, on his visit to Imo State, inaugurated the naked Ehiagwa Obinze Road, reportedly executed by Governor Hope Uzodimma of Wenano. The group expressed its anger through a statement signed by Ohanaeze Anthony, its President General. It said, what is even more outrageous is that we have seen pictures of an old portion of the road which was washed, repainted, decorated, and presented to Mr. President Buhari. And it was on that day Buhari came, commissioned. He said, while we thank the president for the finding time to be in Imo, to see things for himself as the apex leadership body in the area, with the purported road project, we feel deeply insulted by the entire charade and perfidy put together by the Imo State government. The act of commissioning a non-existent road has come to people as a clear mockery of the pains and agonies associated with the poor road infrastructure in our area. This has further reinforced fears that the incumbent administration in Imo is not concerned about our plight, and it's heartbreaking. We therefore demand an immediate apology from Senator Uzodimma so as to remedy the situation, which, while also urging the governor to be alive to his responsibility of providing infrastructure to Imo people, yeah. You could imagine. Now, I will play a video to you to show you the road, because there is nothing hidden in the sun. Uzodimma, ijego jilaka gotoko. Supreme Court governor. Anyway, watch the video while we round up.
Hello, good morning. This is the road Bubu commissioned in Owerri yesterday. If you look very closely, you see the congratulatory message that was given to him for the commissioning of this road by the honorable member from Obo, Honorable Chike Okafor, who is an APC honorable member. This is the road he commissioned. Beautiful road built by Hope Uzodimma. I've done 10 meters. I'm doing the 28 meter now. 30 meters. 40 meters. Just be watching. 50 meters. Sorry, the road ends here. Now here the road ends, I swear. Hey, even to come down here now, allow. Now here the man turn, no begin go. Then just turn here, him begin go back. This place no dey passable. You won't believe that 30 meters from where he commissioned. See the road now as we go. I'm going to show you another 30 meters from where he commissioned. This is 5 meters, 10 meters, 20 meters, 30 meters from where he commissioned. Well, I will try and see whether my car go pass here. We don't do 30 meters. Make we do and reach 40 meters. We are now entering the 48 meter. 40 meters from where he commissioned. Oh boy, this one to go pass here. Where can they go? Okay. And they ask so because as this road day, 40 meters, 50. Well, we never do 50 meters. So this now the 50th meter from where he commissioned. 50 meters from where he commissioned. 60 meters from where he commissioned. On the same road though, on the same road, we never cross the road though. We still there the road though. We still there the road though. We never even reach 100 meters from where he commissioned. Make una say as the same road, the same road. We never change the road though, na the same road. Na Duakaleji road though. The same road though. People can see Rochas palm tree. These were the palms Rochas planted in Imo. Imo Jiwunukunku. It's on the same road though. This road has dealt with APC in Imo State. The same road though. The very popular Uzodimma road from Chukwumanwoha. Well, let me stop here for today.
That is it too. He has tricked the one who helped him trick Imo people. Buhari no dey happy, and you can see his comment on that video. Anyway, viewers, this is where we draw the curtain on this particular show. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Also, click on the bell icon to get our updates anytime it drops. I am Azoka OJ. Bye for now.